Hello, thank you for choosing PayPal services with PayPal Uganda. I am Chole Eric, your PayPal expert, specifically here in Uganda. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can submit a copy of your national ID when PayPal requests for it. We have found out that a lot of people have tried signing up for a PayPal account, and immediately after the account has been set up, they receive a message like this. We want to confirm that the information in your PayPal account is accurate, as we note some suspicious activity in your account. To understand this better, we need more information from you. You need to provide the requested information to regain full access. When we click on See Details, this is the page they are bringing us to. The account impact is pay using PayPal, send money or payments, withdraw money from PayPal, receiving money or payments, refund money to customers. When you get through the information, they are saying, in an effort to keep your account secure, we have also limited certain features in your account. You'll be able to regain access to the features once you provide the information we have requested. Then you can see the reference ID, but here they are requesting for a copy of your national ID. We have the national ID in place. Always make sure not to use a fake national ID. You find out some people don't have national IDs and they search for national IDs on Google. You use that national ID. Remember that ID is public. You might not know that someone else has ever downloaded it and used it on signing up for a PayPal account. If you don't have a national ID, I would recommend you at least to use a next of kin national ID that has never been used to sign up for a PayPal account. Always never download a national ID on Google or on any website, then use it to sign up for a PayPal account. That account will be permanently limited, assuming you have received the money there. We have the national ID in place and is for a specific client. Just click on Resolve. Then just follow the guidelines, upload a national ID to help keep all our members safe. We need to know our community. Please provide a document that verifies your identity. You can read through the information, but specifically, we are resolving the issue or the limitation of uploading a national ID. Then click on document type. You can upload the passport, driver's license, and then you can upload a national ID card. We are uploading a national ID card. Click there, then click on browse. Then you look for the national ID. Then you select it. This is the national ID I'm going to submit. I click on it. Make sure what documents you would like to upload. Your documents need to be valid and legible. The submitted information on the documents must correspond with the information on your PayPal account. Make sure when you are submitting a national ID, everything that is on the national ID is matching the information on your PayPal account. Your documents shouldn't include selfies and images of people. We will handle your information in accordance with our PayPal policy. Then your documents shouldn't be password protected. We can just proceed to submit. After submitting it, then go to account limitations. You can see that the national ID is submitted and they have changed the status. We are reviewing your information and we'll get back to you regarding the status of a reference number within 1 day. That is how you can upload a photo national ID to PayPal for account restoration. Always make sure to use valid and legible information. Thank you much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow up our TikTok handle.